Today, we will do the biological molecule home experiment. To start with, let us know the objectives of this experiment.
Apply a scientific inquiry method as we examine or gather data. Determine the purpose of our chosen enzyme. Show if and how the enzymes can affect each specimen. Be able to explain and show the result of our conducted experiment.
Our lingering questions in this experiment are the following. How will the enzymes affect the biomolecules? Will the specimen break down or melt? If they do, which one will be the quickest? These questions will help our fellow students by the knowledge of how enzymes can affect our digested food. Which one will be the quickest to melt? And which one will be the slowest? The fats, the proteins, or the carbs? Our hypothesis is that the carbohydrates food will be the quickest to melt or to break down. The protein food will be the second, and lastly, the fat food will be the last or the slowest to break down. Next, let us call on Ms. Berlin Paral to introduce the materials and perform the experiment.
So, as we analyze our data, we are not quite sure how or where is the miscalculation. There is definitely an error during performing the procedure of our experiment, which undeniably disproved our hypothesis. There was no second reaction at the end of our experiment. Maybe in the near future, or if given a chance, we will need to run the experiment again. Not just only for the grades that we will obtain, but also for the sake of us gaining more knowledge.
The outcome of our conducted experiment, named Biological Molecule Home Experiment, is really not that productive. After gathering all the materials needed and performing the experiment following the said procedure, there was still an error. Predominant to that, our hypotheses are incorrect, so we need to redo the experiment in order to obtain the right and absolute results. Next time, we need to ensure that the experiment is accurately done, like for instance, the fruit juice or the enzymes should be blended thoroughly. We can say that our data are clearly defined, and anyone who will watch this video will surely understand the results and the purpose of this experiment. To finish this video, the lesson for this is not all experiment holds accurate results. All we need is patience and strong will to accept all outcomes.